first. And again, try it again. Yep, you're on first. Up a little bit to neutral. Try and give it a move. So you hold it well. So down to first. Yep, I think you're on first and up a little bit to neutral. I think that's it. Try and move it. Give it a kick again. Just look out for these dogs, so don't go too close to them. But you can go a lot further that way, right? I want you to have it like going, like really singing fast, okay? Good work. Just look out for these other bikes as well. So if you see another bike, I want you to turn, go to the left, okay? Cool. Good work.
I think something's gone with my goggles. Something's gone with my goggles.
You're slipping up. Is your head far enough up? Try and move your head down. Up, sorry. There we go. Let me try and move this down and see if this helps. Does that help? Yep, cool. Give it a kick. Remember, you've got to hold it. Good try.
Oh, hold it.
Huh?
Hold it.
Yeah, so you got to hold the revs up. You can't like rev it. You can't go ring when you want to start. You have to hold it and then sort of keep it there.
I was holding it.
Yeah, you weren't holding it quite enough though. So when you let go of this, you got to let it out a little bit slower until you get to there, and then you can give it more gas and let it out completely. And you're in a little bit of a hole as well, so it's going to be a little bit harder. So I'm just going to move you out of it a bit. So push forward, roll forward. Oh, you're in gear.
Oh, I need to hold my
Here we
clutch.
go. Here we go. Here we go.
You're tipping me over!
Come over.
You're tipping me!
Come over.
Why?
Straighten your handlebars.
Yay.
Straighten your handlebars. Then jump over. There you go.
Then jump.
Yeah, let's sit on the top lane. There you go. Okay. Are you neutral? Can you roll? Nah, you're in gear. So find neutral, sit down, and to neutral. Yep. That's the one. Yep. You roll out and move. So come forward a bit because you're on a hole. So come forward. Give you a pull. There you go. Right. Now give it a kick. And when you do your revs, just hold it a little bit higher so it really sounds like it's singing. And then let this out. So when you let it out, stop me on. When you let it out, I want you to let it out and you'll start feeling it. And it will start to start bogging the engine. Then you give it a little bit more gas. And then a little bit more, and then you can let it go. So only at about here does it start doing anything to the bike. Car coming, just wait a second. Turn soon and then go further that way. Okay? Very close. Yep, very good. It's the hard part, eh? Starting. you've got to make it sound like it's real angry. Then you can go. So you're having it, you're getting it like, it goes up like this, and that's when it starts going up in this part. You're holding it just a little bit too low. So a little bit higher, and you would have been sweet. I have to find neutral. On your fingers. There you go, give it neutral. Give it a kick.